County, southeastern Brown County,
Wait.
Bartholomew County, northern Jackson
Oh my
County,
gosh.
northern Jennings County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
On.
At 8:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Nashville, or 15 miles southwest of Columbus, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
It's a storm.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensburg, New Bern, Hartsville, Geneva, Spurgeon's Corner, Azalea, Elkinsville, Millhausen, Elizabethtown, Stonehead, Story, Taylorsville, Westport, Flat Rock, Letts, Bernie, Milford, Adams, Waymansville, and St. Paul. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 56 and 76. Interstate 74 between mile markers 124 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: